Hello viewers, this video I'll show cannot save WhatsApp contact problem solve. On your WhatsApp, click on save option, then error show it cannot save contact on WhatsApp. Let's see how to solve. Open on setting, scroll down on, click or tap on apps, tap on search bar on your apps icon, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, clear data, tap on clear data and clear cache, then click OK and open on Play Store, search on WhatsApp application, and update your WhatsApp App Store or Play Store on your phone. Now open on WhatsApp app, click on this add contact option. On new contact, add phone number, contact name, then click save option. Add complete, done.